Respected professors, this is NAMZ from Bharati Academy CBSE Retiveti Namkar. Today I am going to explain about my project Blind Man Shoes and Gloves. So this project is pretty simple to explain. So the aim of this project is to make blind people move without any help of other persons or without a walking stick. This electronic device can be explained very simply. So we are using some products as ARDUINO ARDUINO Nano, a vibrator motor and a vital role which is played by the ultrasonic sensor, a 2200 milliampere battery which can be recharged when unused. So the process happening here is the ultrasonic sound waves from the transmitter of the ultrasonic sensor is bounced and the received signals is received and converted into digital signals. Those digital signals are encoded and decoded by the Arduino to be transformed into vibrating signals. These vibrating signals can be obtained by the vibrator motor that we kept. This vibration from the vibrator motor can make the blind person sense there is an object or an obstacle in front of or behind or inside of them and make them move. So before the execution, the LEDs on the vibrator motor are turned off. When an object or an obstacle comes in front of the ultrasonic sensor, the motor starts to vibrate and the LEDs start to grow. The reason why we kept the LED is just to make the judges understand. Now let us move to the shoe. So this is the same concept that we used in the shoe, but we have attached a ground level sensor which vibrates and lights up when the shoe is moved more than 15 centimeters from the ground. This to make the blind person feel that there is a depth of ground level in front of them, so they can climb up or climb down the stairs easily. So the same concept applies to the other three sensors that we kept here. When the obstacle is detected from the behind within the 30 centimeter radius that we kept just for the test bench. So assume this is an obstacle and the light glows up and the vibrator motor runs. I can feel the vibrator motor run, but you can't. So only we kept the lights. So the same for the sides. You can see the lights up, and for the front the same. Okay. And when we come to the gloves, the actual same concept is here. But if there is an obstacle that is beyond the range of the ultrasonic sensor that we kept in the shoe, we can find if there is a wall or just an obstacle up to your hip size with this sensor. So we can just manipulate it to use it like this. So this is the use of the gloves. When these both are used when these products are used with the coordination by the blind person, he can walk easily without any person's help. Now let us see the working. So for the experimental purposes, we have taken a safety glass and put insulation tape on it. So I can see anything behind it. I can be like a blind person. So actually I can see the camera right now. Yeah, let's continue with the example. So as you can see, there should be, now the motor is vibrating and I can feel the wall right there. Now it's about 30 centimeter from me now. 30 or 50, yeah? So as you can see, I am walking down a corridor and there is a wall in 50 centimeter as you can see, there is a wall in front of me at the range of 50 centimeter. Now my hand gloves is vibrating so that I can feel that there is a wall. So as you can see, the light in my leg should be light a little right now because I can feel the vibration in my leg, so that I can know that there is a depth in front of my leg. So from that I can actually confidently walk through it. So as you can see, from the vibrations I can feel the depth of the steps and walk confidently. Okay. So professors, I am looking forward to upgrade my project from this level to the next level, where I can control all the other 4 ultrasonic sensors with a single microcontroller instead of using 4 Arduinos for each one. So from my project, every blind person can walk without a traditional stick or a traditional blind stick which they use or any other gadgets. This is the cost efficient project if I may upgrade this. So please help me on this project, and thank you for your opportunity.